So it's been a long time since I've remembered that I even had a YouTube channel, but a lot has changed and I've still been drawing quite a bit, but I actually got my tattooing license and I work in Medford, Oregon now, and I still like using Prismacolors and I still draw people all the time, but I just I changed paths a little bit, but I'm trying to do like a combination of it a little bit, and I don't know, I guess I'll see how things go, and I'll try to start using this channel a little bit more and draw and maybe do more time lapses like I used to. Like I have a whole drawing setup now and I just kind of got out of the habit of taking videos. But I'm excited to start doing it again, and I don't know, I'll show you guys the setup, like, because I got my whole station. I rent a booth at Ivy Ink, and the owner of the studio, we actually went to high school together, so it was pretty cool, and I'm really happy to have the station and really try to treat art like a job, and we'll see how it goes. I formally started the business in June, but I'm just barely starting to get the hang of it, and I don't know. I'm kind of bad at doing this type of thing, but we'll see. And I'll show you around the studio too. Got some pretty flowers, and my magazine collection is starting to finally become handy. And this is my station. I just rent the furniture, but eventually I'll get a professional tattoo bed, and at the moment it's technically a massage table, but these are some of my Breyer horses. I have been collecting them for a long time, and some of my really favorite drawings. Got my associate's degree, just got it in the mail finally. It's just a 2-year, but I'm happy to have any associate, and a couple more drawings. And then over here is my drawing station, and this is the one I'm currently working on. And some of my art supplies, fake skin supplies. But yeah. Since I'm working on tattoos mainly now, I'm gonna try to post some tattoo related content and just kind of talk about how I got into it. And Oregon is kind of a unique state for starting to get into tattooing because it's one of the only states that requires you to go to a tattoo school. And I went to the one in Grants Pass, Oregon, Southern Oregon Tattoo Academy with Christopher Toulis. He's the instructor. And I know that there's a lot of mixed opinions about tattoo schools, but I think the education was worth it, and it was probably about $12,000 out of pocket, and you have to pay it yourself because there's no grants and all that, but I could go more in depth with that separately. But yeah, I really like working here, and if you guys are interested in a tattoo and you live close to Southern Oregon, I'd be happy to book you. And I don't know, just keep your eye out for more art content soon, and I'll talk to you guys later.